Get ready to plant a baby palm tree. That's right. Hopefully it only is supposed to get up to about this high, like 8 to 10 feet tall. So I'm putting it in the corner. Okay, I think that's deep enough. I'm going to go ahead and check. Okay, I think that's deep enough, yeah. Okay, I'm going to add some water to it and then pull it out of that little container and put it in there. Okay, I got it in the position I wanted it to be in. Time to fill up this puppy. Look, Chanel, I'm giving you another place to pee. That's right. Another place for you to go tinkle. Whew. Okay, so this is late February. I'm guessing this will start looking like a tree come November, maybe? Or at least it should get up to about right here by November, I'm hoping. I just know I got it in the corner. Not too close to the fence so the leaves can branch out. And of course, the most important part, it's not going to get too tall so I can still take care of it no matter what. I'm also creating a little stepway. And of course I'm using the same method as I use just planting plants. Drop it where I want it and then etch it out afterwards. Dig and then place it back. Later. Some pavers to keep the mulch inside. Yep, I'm starting to get a little blister in my hand. This thing works great, but I should be wearing gloves. Alright, so I put some gloves on. It makes it a little easier. It's okay, Tina. And then pick it up. Let's see. There you go. Down enough. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Eventually this will go further down on the ground as it keeps getting stepped on, of course, but the more walkway I put in, the less lawn I gotta mow later. Yeah, basically the dirt acts like cement. Aw, look at the worm. Yeah, I just let it sit there. Oh, there's another worm. Yay! I like worms. Basically, you just got to dig deep enough, about the thickness of the brick. And then, in time, it'll just settle in. Yeah, definitely got a lot of worms. There was a lot of rain. Alright, that's good. Fill it back up. Yeah, the mud, it works just like cement. Yeah. Good. I like it. I just gotta do the rest of those. Yeah, it's a little gopher. Yep, that's why I'm putting down all these squares. So he won't be able to dig up in between it. Hopefully he doesn't kill that palm tree though I just planted. Hello, little gopher. Yeah, she's not even afraid. Yep, I think the gopher's hungry. definitely checking out that new tree I just planted. Chanel, you see that gopher? Look, there's a gopher. Look, Chanel, there's a gopher. See it? Go get the gopher. Chanel, go get the gopher. Make yourself a little stepway I made here. Of course, planted a few extra plants. I'm making progress on the landscaping. Just spent another 8 hours digging out around the tree stumps and making circles. Got some of those flat rocks that actually go on the wall, but I think they go on the ground just fine too. Found those at the rehab center. Woohoo! But yeah, and collecting all the rocks that way. Just mud. No, I'm not a professional landscaper, but I think I'm doing okay. Yeah, working on it, working on it. Yeah, hands are filthy. Knees are dirty. Yeah, definitely gotta wash your hands after playing in the dirt. I definitely gave myself a blister. It's gonna look pretty bad later, but for right now, it just kind of hurts and stings. Yeah. You know, doing the work yourself, it's definitely cheaper though. You know, you may hurt a little bit after, or, you know, just ache. But yeah, basically just the walkway only cost me like 20 bucks to make, because each square is $1.23 at Lowe's, and then each brick 42 cents. 10 bricks, 10 squares. Okay, about 25 bucks, something like that. But yeah, a lot cheaper doing it yourself than it is to pay somebody a couple $100 to get the same thing, you know.